how to turn on and enable parent pin on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to roblox.com. this is the homepage as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go here in the top, click on settings. It will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just click here on this parental controls, and now all what you have to do is simple. Click here and it's gonna create a 4-digit pin. I'm gonna create one and confirm it right here and click add. Now I just created a parent pin. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.